Hey there, so let us continue with question number 31. Okay, so here we are given let x be a random variable with probability mass function as follows, as you can see. Okay, so probabilities for x is equals to 1 to it's 1 by 4, x is equals to 3, it's 1 by 4 plus p by 4. For x is equals to 4, it is 1 by 4 minus p by 4, 0 otherwise. Now if ex is equals to 2.4, then p equals to 1. So first, what is expectation of x in case of a PMF, that is summation x into px. Okay, now here x is equals to 1 2 3 4, right? So as we put the values, we will use the following probabilities, that is 1 into 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 4 plus p by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4 minus p by 4. Okay, so if we simplify this, we get to this is okay. Since we have 4 here now, so we will not take the lowest term now, we will just take this is 4, and here we have 1 2, that is 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10, and how many p's we have? 3p minus 4p, so that is minus p. So that is basically and this is equals to 2.4. That means we have ex is equals to 2.4, and just now we have calculated ex is equals to 10 by 4 minus p by 4. Okay, that means 10 by 4 minus p by 4 is equals to 2.4. Now p by 4 is equals to 10 by 4 minus 2.4. Okay, so let us simplify this. So p is equals to 4 gets cancelled, so 10 minus 2.4 into 4. So p is equals to 10 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, that is 9.6. So that is equals to 4. So 0.4 is the correct answer. 0.40. Do we have that option? Yes. B is the correct option. That is 0.40. Okay. Next question. Right. So in next question, we are given that x be a random variable with probability density function. So we are given the following PDF, where phi x and phi are the probability density function and CDF of standard normal distribution, which means here phi x is basically standard normal distribution is our 1 by root 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2, right? So now fx is this, and x we have to find out ex. So ex is equals to integration x into fx dx, right? So here what we are going to do is ex is equals to, this is a to b, x, what is fx? This is our fx, standard normal distribution, that is 1 by root 2 pi e to the power minus x square by 2, correct? So it's not only that, but we have this extra term also, na? Fx, phi x is standard normal distribution, but this is a combination where fx is this. So we also have divided by phi b minus phi a. So let us take all the constant values outside, that is 1 by phi b minus phi a, and okay, into 1 by root 2 pi, and here we have a to b x e to the power minus x square by 2 dx. Now as we know, if we take let y is equals to x square by 2 and all that, so ultimately it will come down to e to the power minus pi dy. So that means if we take the direct integration, I'm just going to write down the direct answer here. So that is, we have 1 by phi b minus phi a integration, not integration, we have already integrated between a to b, and here we have e to the power minus x square by 2. That is our answer. So if you put b and a here, so we will have, okay, we also have the constant term, that is 1 by root 2 pi here. Okay, right. So if we write down the constant terms here, so what is the answer here? So ultimately the answer will be 1 by 5b minus 5a e to the power minus b square by 2 minus e to the power minus a square by 2. Okay, now this e to the power minus b square by 2 is very evident from here. Yes, we have 1 by root 2 pi here. These were the constant terms, and after integrating we have got this. Now as you can see, 1 by root 2 pi e to the power minus b square by 2 means what? If this is the value of 5b, so I can write this down as 5b, and this is 1 by root 2 pi e to the power minus a square by 2, that means this is 5a, so this will become a square by 2, so this is 5a. So the answer is, so let me just clear this part to write down the answer. So the answer is Ex is equals to, after integrating we have got 5b minus 5a, and the constants that we already had is 5a minus 5b, and that is our option A. Right. Okay. Next question. Okay. So this is a question from probability. Suppose A can hit a target 5 times in 6 shots. B can hit 4 times in 5 shots. Let's say A can hit is event E, B can hit is event F, and C can hit is event G. So probability of E is equals to 5 by 6. Probability of F is equals to 4 by 5, and probability of G is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. Now, probability that exactly 2 of A and B and C will hit the target. Only 2, not the other one. That means I'm talking about probability of E and F but not G, plus, that is or, probability of E not F but G, plus probability of not E but F and G. So any 2 but not the other one. So this is the way of writing. Whichever 2 will hit together will be written intersection. The one which is not, so that is complement. Now E, F, G, these are complementary events. E, F, G are independent events. So that is, since E, F, G are independent events, so therefore any combination with their complements will also be independent. That means this independent, this are independent events, and this and this are also independent events. So that means all these can be written in the form of the product of individual probabilities. Okay, that is probability of E into probability of F into probability of G complement, plus probability of E into probability of F complement into probability of G, plus probability of E complement into probability of F into probability of G. Okay, now let us write down the probabilities for this first part. They are, probability of E is 5 by 6 into probability of F is 4 by 5 into G complement is 1 minus 3 by 4, right? G complement is 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. Done. Plus second part, probability of E is 5 by 6 into probability of F complement is again 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5 into probability of G is again 3 by 4. Plus the third part, probability of E complement is again 1 by 6 into 4 by 5 into 3 by 4. Now let us simplify and find our answer. Okay. 5 gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. 5 gets cancelled. So here we have 5 by 6, 1 by 5. This is correct. So 3 1s are 3. Let's say 3 2s are 6. Or let's not simplify it because we will have 6, so it will be easier for us to calculate, right? Okay. Okay, let's just leave it that way. Next term, 4 gets cancelled. Anything else? No. Okay, so we are going to take some common terms now. So let us simplify this. We have 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6 into 3 by 5. So let us take 1 by 6 as common. So we have 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5. Good. 1 by 6 into, let's 20, so 20 plus 15 plus 12 equals to 1 by 6 into 1 by 20 into, so this is 20 plus 15 is 35, 35 plus 10 is 45 plus 2 is 47. Okay. So this is actually 47 by 120. That's the answer. Easy? Right. Now, next question. So that is here, let us say, okay, let us say A is the event that the insured vehicle meets with an accident. So A is accident, okay? Now, S for scooters, C for car, T for truck. Okay. Now, probability of accident is equals to what? Probability that how can we write down this one is as follows, that is probability that accident, whichever vehicle meets an accident that is insured. So insured vehicle that meets an accident is scooter into probability of scooter getting insured plus probability of accident given that it is a car into probability of car getting insured plus probability that accident of truck into probability of truck getting insured. This is what our PA looks like. Okay. Now in order to calculate the PA, let us first write down these numbers. Okay. That is, so A given S. So here it is clearly given. See, the probabilities of the accident involving a scooter. Accident involving a scooter is 0.2. 0.02 into, what is the probability here? Insurance company getting insured is 1000 scooters, right? Out of how many? 1000 plus 2000, 3000 plus 6000. So this is 1000 by 6000. Okay, plus again accident involving a car is 0.03. So 0.03 into how many cars? 2000 out of 6000 that is getting insured. Plus again when it is truck, it is 0.04 into how many trucks getting insured? 3000 out of 6000 probability. Done? Right. So basically this is 1 by 6, this is 2 by 6 and this is 3 by 6. Okay. So we have 1 by 6 as common and that is now here it is 0.02 plus 0.06 plus 0.12 is equals to 1 by 6 times So this is 6 to 8, 0.08 plus this is 0.2. That is equal to 0.0. Okay, let us keep it this way. That is PA, or we can simplify this like this, 2 by 60 is equal to 1 by 30. So this is PA, okay. That is probability that the vehicle meeting accident is insured is how much? 1 by 30, okay. Probability that the vehicle meeting an accident is insured is 1 by 30. Now what we have to find out here? We have to find out the conditional probability that it is a truck, okay. Probability that the accident that took place, the vehicle is a truck, and given that it is insured. So basically we have to find out probability of truck meeting an accident given that it is insured, right? So what is the formula of a conditional probability? That is probability T intersection A by probability of A. Now this can be written as follows using the compound probability formula, that is probability of A given T into PT, right, and given by PA. Now we know what is the probability of a vehicle getting insured, that it meets an accident, and that it is given that it is a truck, right? That is PA given T, we have just calculated here, that is 0.04. Let us write down 0.04 into probability of truck getting insured was 3 by 6, whole divided by PA is 1 by 30. Now let us solve and get our answer. So 0.04 into 3 by 6 into 30. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 15 into 0.04. So 15 4s are 60, so 0.60. That is our answer. Yes, so that is D. Option D is the correct answer.